It's time for the moment you've been waiting for.
Hey guys, what is going on? Back with another video, and today I want to talk to you guys about a mod that I ordered 7 months ago. And honestly, I haven't seen it yet. I'm gonna go home. I just got off work, gonna go home, gonna check out this mod, and honestly, I'm gonna tell you guys the story behind this mod, why I waited 7 months for it. Is it worth it, and should you guys go for the same thing that I went through waiting for this mod? With that being said, let's jump right into the video. I didn't want to put this company on blast, but I'm gonna have to, because honestly, his professionalism and how he handles the situation is completely crap, and no one should have to go through this process like I went through. So the product I'm talking about is a custom made shift knob, and I got mine made in a pattern that I thought was really awesome. And I was fine with waiting a couple months for it. I thought, he told me from the start it was going to be about 3 months to wait for this product, but it turned out to be a 7-month wait, and I'm going to start from the beginning. So before I even bought this car, I knew I wanted to get a manual transmission on this car. So I made sure to go ahead and order a shift knob that I thought that I would like for the car before it even came in, thinking that I would get it right when the car came in. I ordered this shift knob about 2 months before I picked up this car, if I had to say. And I honestly thought that was going to be enough time. So I honestly thought that was going to be enough time, figuring that I was going to wait 2 months before the car came in. It'll take 2 months to make this shift knob, but that turned out to be definitely not the case. So what happened was, I ordered the shift knob, I put in the comments for exactly how I wanted it made, and he told me no problem, it's going to take 2 to 3 months max. The wait is going to be this long, but it turned out after those 2 months of waiting, I haven't even started on your shift knob. And at that point, I knew that something wasn't right. So I got on his case about it. I was like, dude, where's my shift knob? I waited, the certain amount of time that you told me to. You told me it's going to be here at a time. And if you tell someone a certain time, please make sure you follow up on that time. Don't tell someone something and then end up being surprised when they get mad at you if you haven't completed it yet. Oh, these downshifts from the Corsa exhaust sound so good. I don't know if you guys are picking it up on camera, but it honestly, just Corsa exhaust just completely transforms the car from how it sounded stock, and it makes it sound so good. So back to the story. So after the 2 months, I messaged him. He told me that it wasn't going to be ready, and it wasn't going to be ready for at least another month. So I was like, all right, I can wait another month. That's totally fine. You know what? I'm not going to be mad about it. I'm going to wait another month and see where it goes from there. So I waited another month, and I messaged him from when he told me that it was going to be ready. And pretty much what happened was, everyone's shift knobs are going to be backed up again. And honestly, I didn't think that was very acceptable. I messaged him, I got extremely pissed off at him. I'm like, dude, listen, you told me one day it wasn't ready. Then you told me another day, and that day wasn't ready. He finally told me a day of it was going to be ready in January. If it wasn't going to be ready by Christmas, he would have it ready by January for sure. So after 3 or 4 months passed by, at this point, I couldn't care when the shift knob was going to be ready or not. So I just forgot about it for a couple of months. Finally messaged him like, dude, where's my shift knob? I want my shift knob right now, or I want my money back. And he refused to give me my money back. He was like, oh, I'm going to have your shift knob ready by a certain time. And honestly, at that point, I just wanted my money back, but apparently he shipped the knob and it's sitting out in my house right now. All right, guys, so that's my short story for today. Let me know if you guys like seeing these short stories. If you guys like seeing them, then I will do more of them. If you guys don't like seeing these short stories, then I'm gonna do less of them. But yeah, please make sure you comment down below what you guys like seeing. If you guys want me to talk about something in particular during these short drives, let me know down below and I will try to make it happen. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers, so thank you guys so much. If you guys enjoy these videos, please make sure you subscribe down below and make sure you're also liking. And if you guys haven't already, please make sure you comment down below what are your favorite things to see on this channel. All your support is what makes me do these videos. Without you guys, I would not be here at where I am today. And you know, I can't wait to show you guys what I have in store for 1,000 subscribers. It's going to be an awesome video, so definitely stick around for that if you haven't done so already. And with that being said, guys, I'll talk to you guys next time.